If you have switched from Windows to macOS, you might find the non-existence of cut and paste feature quite baffling. After all, it's a staple feature of the Windows operating system that you might be using every day. In this guide, we will show you how to cut and paste on Mac. First, let us answer the question whether there is a native cut and paste keyboard shortcut on Mac or not. In short, yes, there is a native cut and paste keyboard shortcut on Mac, but it's not apparent. Instead of using Command X to cut the file, you use Command C to copy the file. If you want to move the file to a new location, you use Command Option V keyboard shortcut. This shortcut removes the file from the original location and moves it to the new location. Once you get used to this keyboard shortcut, it will be as easy as using Ctrl X and Ctrl V on Windows system. But if you are not ready to learn a new keyboard shortcut, there's a way to get the Command X cut and paste shortcut on Mac. To make this work, we will use a free app called Command X. You can find its link in the video description. Install the app and launch it using Spotlight. Now click the Open System Settings button. It will open the accessibility settings page on your Mac. If this doesn't work, go to the Apple menu, open the system settings, go to privacy and security and open accessibility. Enable the toggle next to Command X to grant it the necessary permission to work. You might have to authenticate with your password or Touch ID. Now click on its menu bar icon and open settings. Here you can enable launch at login to ensure the app automatically launches when you turn on your Mac, so it's always working. You can also turn on the hide menu bar icon toggle to remove its icon from the menu bar if you don't want it taking unnecessary space. And that's about it. You can now use Command X and Command V keyboard shortcut to cut and paste files on your Mac. As you can see, it's worked perfectly. Before you go, watch this video next to make your transition easier from Windows to macOS. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.